Imagine the world shuts down. No power, no clean water, no rescue. Only what you carry decides your survival. These 12 inventions are built for that exact moment. Compact, tactical, brutal in function, and they might just keep you alive when everything else fails. Number 12. Morakniv Black Blade Ashwood. A survival knife is not optional in the wild. It is your base tool. The Morakniv Black Blade Ashwood is built for real bushcraft pressure. The 2.5mm recycled Swedish stainless steel blade is sharp for a long time under heavy use. In outdoor settings, the black film helps to prevent corrosion and glare. Double tang construction provides strength for chopping, carving, and food preparation. The Ashwood handle gives a secure grip even in wet conditions. The spine works with a fire starter. A leather sheath protects it on your belt. This is not a tactical gimmick. It is a field survival knife designed for long-term outdoor use when failure is not an option. Number 11. BVT AC8 Multitool. Most tools fail when conditions get extreme. The BVT AC8 is built to prevent that. It is an 8-in-1 heavy-duty survival system made from S7 tool steel. It combines an axe, hammer, pry bar, spanner, hydrant wrench, and gas shut-off tool into one frame. It is designed for rescue, emergency work, and off-grid survival. The Cerakote coating protects against rust, chemicals, and impact wear. Add-on tools expand it into a shovel, pick, hoe, or saw system. At 3 pounds, it stays portable but powerful. This is not everyday carry. This is disaster response hardware you hope you never need, but cannot afford to be without when infrastructure collapses. Number 10. Titan Paracord Survival Bracelet. It appears to be a basic bracelet. It is not. The Titan Paracord Survival Bracelet contains multiple survival systems amongst its fibers. It uses SurvivorCord XT, which integrates fishing line, Kevlar thread, and fire-starting tinder. Fishing line can hold more than a quarter pound of weight. The Kevlar strand is able to withstand up to 110 pounds of tension and is heat resistant. The waxed tinder ignites even in wet environments. This makes bracelet cordage, fishing gear, repair thread, and fire starter. It's worn on the wrist and it functions like a secret survival kit. In an emergency, this is the type of equipment that makes walking into a survivable situation. Number 9. Zip Stitch. When injury happens in the wild, time becomes critical. The Zip Stitch system is a new system for closing wounds with adhesive strips in place of the traditional sutures. Rather than needles, it uses subtle tension to draw in skin. This helps lower pain, risk of infection, and healing outcomes. It is particularly useful for hiking, camping, or for areas where medical assistance may be delayed. Application is simple. Place, pull, secure. No training required. It holds wounds firmly while allowing natural movement. Once healing is complete, it removes cleanly with minimal damage to skin. This is not just first aid. It is emergency wound control designed for survival scenarios where mistakes are not survivable. Number 8. Wolf and Grizzly Fire Starter. Fire is survival priority number 1. The Wolf and Grizzly Fire Starter delivers it under any condition. The ferrocerium rod produces sparks reaching 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit with every strike. Rain, wind, and snow do not stop it. It is rated for up to 20,000 strikes, making it long-term field gear. The striker is made from premium knife steel and can be sharpened. The included 550 paracord contains hidden jute tinder. When needed, you cut it open and ignite instantly. This tool removes dependency on lighters and matches. It is pure mechanical fire creation. No fuel, no electronics. Just controlled ignition when survival depends on heat and flame. Number 7. Omniblade by Teryx. Carrying multiple tools slows you down. The Omniblade by Teryx solves that problem. It combines a machete, hatchet, hammer, saw, and knife into one integrated survival blade. The long cutting edge handles clearing and chopping. The saw teeth cut through wood and branches. The hammer section assists in shelter construction and impact tasks. It is designed for heavy outdoor workloads, where efficiency matters more than comfort. Built in collaboration with American tool manufacturers, it focuses on raw durability. This is not a precision instrument. It is a field survival weapon for building, cutting, and surviving in environments where everything must be earned through physical effort. Number 6. NexTool Credit Card Multitool. This is survival capability hidden inside your wallet. The NexTool Credit Card Multitool compresses 20 tools into one flat device. It includes pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, bottle opener, hex wrenches, knife, ruler, and spoke tools. The folding pliers add real gripping power, unlike standard flat tools. It is built from 420J2 steel with titanium plating, balancing strength and portability. At only 91 grams, it disappears into your wallet until needed. This tool is not for heavy construction. It is for emergency fixes, quick repairs, and unexpected breakdowns. When something fails unexpectedly, this is the difference between being stuck and getting moving again. Number 5. LifeStraw Peak Solo. In survival situations, hunger comes second to water. The LifeStraw Peak Solo puts an end to that. Eliminates 99% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from unclean water. Compact and lightweight enough for survival packs or backpacks at 1.7 ounces. The filter's lifespan is up to 2,000 liters, providing long-term reliability. It attaches directly to standard bottles using 28mm threading. The improved membrane reduces clogging from sand and debris, improving flow rate in real field conditions. No chemicals, no batteries, no waiting. Just direct access to safer drinking water anywhere on Earth. This is one of the most critical survival tools ever designed. Number 4. Xenonest. Most tents protect you. The Xenonest changes what camping looks like entirely. It is a 2-story inflatable survival shelter, built with 18cm air beams instead of poles. Setup is done in about 10 minutes, even under rough conditions. Carries a load of up to 350 kilograms and can withstand wind loads up to 20 meters per second. The second floor is raised above the lower level, separating and providing comfort, making camping an organized living space. It is designed for all-season survival environments. This is not backpacking gear. It is mobile architecture. It blurs the line between outdoor shelter and portable home, built for extended survival living in remote environments. Number 3. 4 Patriot Sun Kettle. Fire-free boiling water changes survival strategy. The 4 Patriot Sun Kettle uses concentrated sunlight to heat water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in about 45 minutes. No fuel, no electricity, no fire risk. It holds 16.9 ounces, enough for meals or drink preparation. The reflective design directs the energy of the sun to a glass heating chamber. Portable to emergency bags with a weight of 2.65 pounds. The strength of the structure is provided by ABS plastic and tempered glass. This is perfect for off-grid cooking, water sterilizing, or emergency drinking. When fuel is unavailable, this device turns sunlight into a direct survival resource. Number 2. Sangean MMR-99. In disasters, information becomes survival. The Sangean MMR-99 provides you a never-ending connection. It can be used to listen to AM, FM, and NOAA radio broadcasts, as well as Bluetooth audio. The power is provided by a hand crank, solar, or USB-C, giving it complete independence from infrastructure. Designed for blackouts, storms, and emergencies, where knowing what is happening can decide your next move. Number 1. Oukitel WP100 Titan. This is not a phone. It is a survival hub. With a huge 33,000 mAh battery, the Oukitel WP100 Titan can hold up for days. Supports 66-watt fast charging and reverse charging with other devices. The built-in 100 lumen projector enables you to convert any surface into a screen. A 1,200 lumen camping light takes the place of outdoor lanterns. It's 100% rugged with water-resistant ratings of IP68/IP69K. The camera system is 200 megapixels with low light night vision. Featuring 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, it can run the latest apps without a problem. This device merges communication, lighting, imaging, and endurance into one survival-grade electronic system.